The score is 0-2 in Donald Trump's efforts to stop two explosive books about his family and his presidency from being released this summer, just a few months before the 2020 election. One book was already published, and now a Queens judge has thrown out a request by Robert Trump to not publish a book by his and the president's niece, Maryanne Trump. The president's father and mother were Fred and Mary Trump, who lived in Queens. They have 5 children: Maryanne Trump Barry, Fred Trump Jr., Elizabeth Trump Grau, Donald Trump, and Robert Trump. Maryanne Trump Barry is a retired U.S. Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit judge. She had been appointed by former President Bill Clinton. Mary Trump is the daughter of Fred Trump Jr. He died in 1981 from a heart attack caused by his alcoholism. After her grandfather died in 1999, she and her brother, Fred Trump III, contested the will, with the claim that their grandfather was suffering from dementia. The suit was settled with a non-disclosure agreement attached. Judge Peter Kelly of the Queens County Surrogates Court ruled that the court doesn't have the jurisdiction to grant Robert Trump's request to halt the release of the book. Kelly felt this should be pursued instead in the New York State Supreme Court. He noted that Robert Trump's requests contained several improprieties. He further noted that his court was the improper forum for Trump's youngest brother to pursue the request. Theodore Boutros, Mary Trump's attorney, had celebrated Kelly's decision. He said in a statement the request to stop the book was baseless. "We hope this decision will end the matter," he said. "Democracy thrives on the free exchange of ideas, and neither this court nor any other has authority to violate the Constitution by imposing a prior restraint on core political speech." Robert Trump's attorney, Charles Harder, said in a statement that his client will proceed with filing a new lawsuit in the New York State Supreme Court. "There's time, as the book isn't due to hit the shelves until July 28. Mary Trump's book, Too Much and Never Enough: How My Family Created the World's Most Dangerous Man, is also published by Simon & Schuster, just as former National Security Advisor John Bolton's book was. Multiple lawsuits didn't hold it back, and it went on sale this past Tuesday. Trump's publisher describes the book as a revelatory, authoritative portrait of Donald J. Trump and the toxic family that made him. Robert Trump filed his request with the Queens County Surrogates Court to block publication of Mary Trump's book. He claimed it would violate the NDA that was signed by the family. Harder contends the lawsuit was filed in Queens because the family agreed to jurisdiction of future disputes there. It's expected that Mary Trump will reveal in the book that she was the source for the explosive New York Times expose on Trump's finances, that showed, among other things, that he most likely doesn't hold as much as he has said.